If your WhatsApp account is keeping on getting banned, be it a personal WhatsApp account or a WhatsApp for business account, these are your only three options you have going further. Watch my video completely till the end. If you're watching my video for today, I'm sure your WhatsApp account is banned and you're not getting a resolution and you're stuck in a loop. It's been quite some time and you are actually looking for genuine help. But let me be very honest with you out here that a ban on your WhatsApp account wouldn't happen without any reason. You may just have forwarded a message too many times, or maybe you may had created a random group with a lot of numbers, or maybe you forwarded a photograph that was restricted many times, or maybe you're using a suspicious Wi-Fi network. You connect your phone to an open Wi-Fi and stuff like that, and then your account gets banned. Bans through WhatsApp can happen for multiple reasons. Whatever may be the case, after you are done with this cycle of getting banned, appealing, WhatsApp banning your account, or they are not responding to you, it's been like, say, 1 month or 2 months or few weeks at least. These three options are the best. And if you adapt any one of these three options, the headache is going to go away from you. Now, what I mean by this is that the first thing is going to make it clear. Quit your account. Create a new WhatsApp account. If you are a person who had a personal WhatsApp number, it's very easy to get a new account. You could get an online number, like a genuine online number. You could check for these apps on Google Play and get a number from there. Or you could buy a new SIM card and register that new number on your WhatsApp account. Or you could use a landline to register on WhatsApp. The second option is to use an alternate application. You could use alternate applications like Telegram or Aratai or whatever. These alternate applications are also good, similar to WhatsApp. If you are a person who is not wanting to maybe buy a new SIM or register with a new number on WhatsApp because you think somehow your account may just get banned again, use a new application altogether. The third option is to see if you could get a manual appeal through to WhatsApp so that your initial account could be unbanned. Let me explain this to you. See, supposing you have a friend working at Meta or specifically WhatsApp in the WhatsApp department or whatever. Ask them to see if they could go ahead and manually unban your account. That is if you're innocent. If you haven't done anything wrong and you're continuously getting banned by the WhatsApp algorithm, if your friend who is working at Meta or WhatsApp can review your account and remove the ban and stuff like that, there's nothing like it. That is the easiest method, even better than the app appeal or connecting with WhatsApp support and stuff like that. I know this is a difficult option. You may not have a friend working at WhatsApp or whatever, but you could go ahead and try and see. If you have any further questions, any doubts in your mind in relation to WhatsApp bans or Meta bans altogether, do send me an email, or you could even post a comment in the comment section below. Take care, my friend.